Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has identified Microsoft as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.65. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, experiencing a loss of 0.41% thus far. This results in an average daily loss of 0.20% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and subdued upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately 2.72% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 0.663% and 10.87%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 4.24% over the next year, with possible returns varying from negative 0.84% to 17.34%. This suggests a future price range of approximately $421.01 to $498.18 after 1 year. Our latest daily update from Microsoft includes the headline, Microsoft stock price down 0.406% on Thursday. The Microsoft stock price decreased by 0.406% on the last day, Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, dropping from $426.31 to $424.58. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.20%, with a day low of $424.39 and a day high of $429.49. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 0.73% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also fell on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should follow the stock's trend. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, totaling 15 million shares bought and sold for approximately $6.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $468.35, while the lowest was $385.58. Currently, the price is 9.35%, or $43.77, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft has announced a price increase for its consumer version of Microsoft 365, raising the monthly fee by $3 for the first time in 12 years. This change comes as the company integrates its Copilot AI assistant into applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. In the short term, this price hike may lead to a moderate backlash from some consumers, potentially affecting subscriber growth. However, the incorporation of AI tools could enhance user satisfaction and justify the increased cost, supporting long-term subscriber retention and growth. Additionally, Microsoft is rolling out Copilot AI features for individual consumers following its recent deployment of on-demand AI agents for businesses. This move positions Microsoft advantageously in the competitive AI market, likely driving stronger demand for its services and bolstering revenue in the coming quarters. In further developments, Microsoft has partnered with Tetra Science to advance scientific artificial intelligence at scale, which could open new revenue streams in the biopharmaceutical sector. The collaboration enhances the capabilities of Microsoft's Azure platform, promoting usage among scientific organizations. As the market trends towards AI adoption, supported by recent executive actions from the Biden administration favoring data centers and clean energy, Microsoft stands to benefit significantly, positioning itself as a leader in both corporate and consumer AI applications. This strategic focus on innovation, coupled with enhanced revenue from subscriptions, can positively influence MSFT's stock price in both the short and long term, fostering investor confidence in its growth trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, UBS rated Microsoft as a buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Needham assigned a hold rating to Microsoft with a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler provided Microsoft with a neutral rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For the return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 2.14%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the near short-term trajectory. The Microsoft stock currently holds a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average sits above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $432.58. On the other hand, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $421.38. A breakthrough above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 10 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provides a buy signal from 11 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $420.18. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically trades at a strong volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $5.10, representing an increase of 1.2% between its high and low. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.91%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 29th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.15. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $426.89. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $420.18. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of December, 2024, Jala Alice L. executed an insider sale of 617,402 shares of common stock. On the 12th of December, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. made an insider purchase of 77 shares of restricted stock units. On the 12th of December, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. acquired 6,752 shares of restricted stock units. On the 12th of December, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. bought 23,634 shares of restricted stock units. On the 12th of December, 2024, Peterson Sandra E. purchased 44,951 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 6.595. In total, insiders acquired 536,103 shares and sold 460,807 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $401.28, reflecting a decrease of 5.49%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal emerging from a pivot bottom established 2 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Microsoft stock to perform well in the near future. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of January, we anticipate that Microsoft will open with an increase of $1.57, starting at $426.15. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.